this. So it tells you cold. Cold is always going to be on your right. So it tells you hot and cold. That's how you know where you're going to put it in, because you have these things here, right? And they have to fit here. See that? So you want the cold on this side, the hot on that side. You can barely see, but it does tell you. Yeah. Hot and cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the cold here and the hot. And so you got to put it in here to make sure you get it in. Push it. And then you got it as close as you can to this, right? It's holding back pressure. So that's why you take the nut, which is this thing. And when you tighten that nut, it's going to squeeze it all the way in. But you ought to make sure it's just like that. Nut has threads there. So what I do is I'll back up, and then because it's such a fine thread, see this nut? It's not going to go in correctly. Look at the fine threads on this thing. So with this, you have to put it here, kind of push it straight, but back it up until here it kind of set itself in there. There. See that? Did you hear?
Yeah.
So now, you see what I'm saying? Now we got it tightened. And watch, let me have the channel lock. I'll take that one. That one. And then give me the other one also, so I can hold pressure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're going to hold it like that.